Quincy Brannan, the Texas cannabis attorney, coming to you today with a little bit of information over the odor of marijuana and how it can get you in trouble. Now, as always, please read the disclaimer down below. This is not legal advice. I'm not creating an attorney-client relationship with you. I am just giving a video that is both informational, educational, and entertaining. Okay. So what are we talking about today? Well, in the state of Texas, as in various other states throughout the United States, you can get in trouble when the cops pull up on you if they smell the odor of marijuana emitting from your vehicle. So basically here in Texas, there was a case in 1978 called Moulden V State. It has been cited several times. I actually researched it again to look it up for this video. The tool I was using indicated it had been cited over 80 times, both in the state of Texas and federally. It's just a given that here in the state of Texas, if you get pulled over and they smell marijuana, what's going to happen is two things. They're going to ask you to exit the vehicle, and then they are going to search the vehicle because that gives them the probable cause from the totality of the circumstances, the odor of the marijuana. Gives them the probable cause to search your vehicle. And once they get in there, whatever they find is free game, and they're going to charge you with it. Now, that's not to be said that there's certain circumstances where they don't smell marijuana and they'll still try to ask you for a consent to search. What's the rule on that? We don't consent to search, correct? If someone comes up to your vehicle and they ask to go through, a law enforcement comes up to your vehicle and they ask to search your vehicle, search your person, they don't have probable cause, they don't have even reasonable suspicion for a pat down of your leg, what do you tell them? No. Don't be mean. Don't get up in their face. Don't cause issues, obviously. Don't want to do that here in America. But what you do want to do is tell them no. Okay? But if they come up and you were just smoking some Skywalker OG or some of that Warlock, or maybe you had some Blue Dream because you're getting ready to relax on the way home, or before you got in the car, or someone else was smoking it, or you smoked it days ago and it was on your sweater, but God, it just reeks and it's dank, well, that's going to give them the probable cause to search the vehicle. Now, searching your home, that is a different set of circumstances. So, cop comes up to your home, they smell marijuana, right? You open the front door as they're driving by, and the smell is just so bad that they take notice of it, correct? That is dependent on a few things. There has to be distinct exigent circumstances. When I say exigent circumstances, it has to be more than just the smell for them to come in. Now, a smell is enough for them to probably go get a search warrant. Depends on the magistrate, but they can probably go get a search warrant. They can come back. They can ask this, that, and the other. But just the smell alone is not enough. Case in point, I don't remember when, but it was a few years ago. Someone was drunk driving. I don't think it was here in the state of Texas, but just to illustrate. Someone was drunk driving and they crashed into their neighbor's garage. Well, that let out the smell of marijuana, correct? All the neighbors could smell it. They called the cops, of course, because someone hit someone else's property. Well, when the cops got there, they could see through the smashed part of the garage door a bunch of marijuana plants growing. So what did they do, of course? Well, they now had exigent circumstances to search the property, and someone got in a lot of trouble. So here's the thing to remember. Basically, in the United States in general, when it comes to a home, you have a much broader, more stable set of privacies, right? I'm here at my home. You're there at your home. We get to enjoy this set of privacy that we don't get to enjoy when we are in a vehicle. A vehicle does not have the same amount of privacy or the expectation of privacy that your home does. Your home is, you're sitting on your couch, you want to light up a joint, nobody can see you for miles and miles around. You get in your car, you want to light up a joint, everyone can see you. And if you got windows that are dark enough to shield people from seeing you, you've also given the cops another reason to start investigating as to what you're doing. So, case in point, your car is fundamentally different from your house. The smell of marijuana is enough to get them into your car. It's not necessarily enough to get them into your house. It's just on a case-by-case basis. Now, if you have any other questions, as always, feel free to give us a call here at the Brannan Law Group or check out our website. The link is in the doobly-doo down below. You can always set up a meeting with us. We have that set up to go to our Facebook integration with our calendar. It has all the dates that we're available to do consultations. You just plug and play and someone will give you a call. All right? As always, take it easy, be safe, and enjoy the rest of your day.